Alright, we are here today showing you model VMT46 drop dial clamping system. And to take care of the presentation, we have Vincent of Vincent's Machine and Tool Company. Vincent, it's all yours.
Basically, I like to demonstrate my product. It's pretty straightforward. It's quick and easy to use. It comes with a stainless steel pin, which holds pin sizes from 15 thousandths up to 62, and the brass stud holds parts from 62 to 500 diameter. And it has a very wide range. As you notice, you could use a whole pin set from right down from 15 all the way up to 500. Basically what this does is to give you a consistent checking. Is you attach it to your drop dial, whether it be electronic or just regular like this. I made up a little 60-degree center. With our 3-point clamping system, you're assured parallel and squareness to your parts at all times. If you wanted to check the dimension of the mouth opening on the center, the 60-degree center, if you zeroed it out on the drop dial and then place the probe inside, you get an instant reading. You do the math to get the reading, or your depth. You can do it by depth. The control is terrific. On our next operation, on basically the same part, we have snap rings internal. We have a shoulder. We have an external snap ring also. I've taken a regular screw, faced off the head, basically, and the clamping system could just, you take your probe in, you place it in, and you're ready to roll. If you would like to check the outside snap ring, bring your indicator down, set your 0, and you can measure your undercut with no problem whatsoever. For internal parts, it's really super because it assures you don't have to cut the part off and part in half to check it. So we have an internal snap ring that I'm going to grab here. I'm going to zero it out, and I can come to the top to get my direct measurement reading, or I can go to the bottom shoulder I can zero it out, come up to my snap ring. If I'd like to get an accurate measurement, I'll come up to the top and get a reading from the bottom of the step to the top of the part. It's really clever, it's quick, it's great for inspection like I said, and it's consistent. In this next demonstration, we have a 20,000 slot that's quite deep, as you notice, and usually it's a pain in the neck to check. In this circumstance, I just go in my pin case, pull out a pin. I happen to pull out a 15 thousandths pin. I place it in the holder with the stainless steel screw, which holds from 15 to 62 thousandths diameter. I can zero it out, come up to the top, and get a reading. In this demonstration, I'm going to take the VMT46 clamping system, put it onto my indicator, and I'm using a 499 pin on this. What we have here is a drilled hole that's a specific depth to the flute, not the point. It's pretty quick and easy. You're always trying to find the edge, and in this circumstance you don't have to. Bring the pin down, zero your indicator out, come right up to the top. Dual function. If you wanted to measure the shoulder also, you can zero it out, measure your shoulder. You wanted to get the overall length, you could do that also. Also, in milling is quite handy too. For instance, if you'd like to check a counterbore depth, I'll demonstrate that to you. It's pretty quick and easy and simple. It's a 3/16 counterbore. I take a 186 pin, I drop it in the hole, zero the dial out, come right over, accurate reading, time after time, consistency. Each and every time.
Well, Vincent, thank you very much. I think we could all see that the model VMT46 drop dial clamping system is an asset to anybody's machine shop. It makes things much easier, and they are available for purchase at VMT46.com. You can check it out, get more feedback. Of course, you can email the inventor of this product. He'll be happy to explain exactly what it does in further detail or answer any questions you may have about it. Email address is vmt46@optonline.net.